Hello guys, welcome to Email Hustle where you learn new ways on how to make money online. Basically, my name is Emmanuel, but I did channel that I made this how to make money online, but I did that I tried to sell online. The finance something working for me. I read a video by showing you guys so I can do the same thing and get consistent results. So, and in this video, I'm going to show you a new website to make money online once again. So, if you are new on my channel, all you need to do is just to click that subscription button and turn on notification so that anytime I drop a video on how to make money online, you'll be the first to get notified that I've actually dropped a video. Once you click the link in description, the first link in description, it's actually bring you right here. When you're here, all you need to do is just to put your full name, email address, username, password, phone number, coupon code, choose your package right here and agree to terms. So right as you can see, if you get stuck, you can see my number on the screen right here, just message me. So but I will tell you everything, like everything you need to know about this website, everything, so that you know if you will be interested or not. So right as you can see the name of the website. So my advice to you is that you need to watch this video to the very end to know if you'll be interested in this website, because I will tell you everything you need to know about this website. And at the end of this video, you will decide if you will register or not. So as you can see this website right there, the name right there is Learnify. So as you can see the Learnify is an innovation created to equip each members with essential skills and endless opportunity to make money. So if you come right here, you can see what the website look like. And right here, if I come right here, you can see right here, if I go to top earners right here, you can see top earners, you can see that people are making millions, close to millions from this website since yesterday that this website was launched. So you can see people that is making huge amount of money from this website right here, and you can do the same. So right here, if I come back right here, I go to how this website works. So if I click here, so right here you can see how it works. If I click on how it works, you can see right here, you can see what Learnify is all about. So right here you can see how it works right here, and we can see right here, this website right here, the registration right here is 4,500 naira, and it's one-time registration. If you pay 4,500 naira, is for coupon codes that will allow you to get access to your account and start earning. So, and right here, immediately you register, you'll be given a 2,500 naira as a sign-up bonus. You can see right here, immediately after the session, each user gets 2,500 naira welcome bonus cashback in his or her dashboard instantly. Right here, you can earn without referring. You don't need to refer anyone, so you can earn without referring. So how do you earn? Through performing daily tasks and earning through following below unlock daily earnings. So right here, 300 naira daily adverts. When you join adverts, you enter 300 naira, which I will show you the live proof right here. And engagement bonus, login bonus 200 naira, which is when you log in on the website daily, you earn 200 naira. And this one right here, you can see if you share post on Learnify to your any of your social media handles, you earn 200 naira. And very important, you are earning in naira, not points. You are earning in naira, not points. As you are doing all those things, as you are performing those activities, Learnify is earning, and you also you are earning. So right here you can see. So as an athlete, when you decide to refer or bring in your own friends, tell them about Learnify, how it works, and they decide to register under you. When they register with your link, you'll be earning 2,500 naira per referral. And when the person that you register decide to bring in their own friends, you earn 300 naira, which is the indirect referral. So right here, you can spin and win on the website, and right here, you can answer quiz on the website and earn. Right here, can see right, you can earn with e-commerce right here, and right here, you can earn with incentives right here. So and this means that you get compensated with a lot of amazing prices ranging from cash, laptop, right? You can say iPhone, Samsung, and many others right here. And right at the also, do I get paid without referring? Yes, you get paid without referring. You can see right, you can get paid without referring anyone. And this is the withdrawal method, right? Our withdrawal days and minimum are as follows. Now, right, you can see that athlete withdrawal, which is people that refer, the the balance is separate from activity earnings. And right here, the athlete withdrawal, minimum withdrawal right here is 7,000 naira. And withdrawal quota opens Monday, Wednesday, and Fridays by 5 p.m. to 6 p.m. And you can see we pay you within 12 to 24 hours. And non-athlete earners are paid every month. Withdrawal for non-athlete earners open 15th of every month and is auto withdrawal. Once you have up to minimum non-athlete earnings, your withdrawal will be proceed. So all you need to do is that when you register, you just update your profile with your bank details. Once your money reach the minimum withdrawal, withdraw somebody reach the minimum withdrawal, which is 20,000 naira, it will be withdrawn automatically to your bank account. So this is how this website works. So I'm going to show you how you can perform the activities on this website and earn. So I need to log into my account right here. So right now I will log into my account right here to show you. As you can see right here, and you can also follow their social media handles right here. You can follow their Telegram channel right here, or follow their Instagram channel right here, and you can follow their TikTok channel right here. So right here you can see what the dashboard look like when after the registration. You can see athlete balance right here. I've not referred anyone. You can see that it's zero balance right here, which is separate money right here. When you refer someone right here, your money is separate. And right here, activity earnings right here, which is task that you perform on the website, the money is separate right here. And sales balance is separate right here. So this is how this website works. So right here, you can see that activity balance right here, you can see that I have 3,900 right here. So if I scroll down right here, you can see recent activities right here. Let me just click on this view all right here. If I view all right, you can see that I registered yesterday. And you can see that registration bonus right here is 2,500 naira. Login bonus right here for yesterday is is 200 naira right here. I share sponsor post right here is 300 naira right here. I engage in advert post right here. I earn 200 naira right here. You can see. And today login bonus right here is 200 naira. Sponsor post right here is 300 naira. And I engage in advert today and I earn 200 naira. The total of this balance that you are seeing right here on my screen right here. Once you see 20,000 naira, it will be automatically withdrawn to my bank account. So right you can see your referral link right here. Once you decide to invite people to register under you, so you just copy this referral link right here. Anybody that register through this link right here, you will earn commission right here, and the money will be on this athlete balance. So right here, how do you perform task? So how you perform task right here? Once you're on your dashboard right here, just click on this back. Once you click on back right here, it will bring you right here. All you need to do just come right and click on these three dots. Once you click on these three dots, you will see learn post right here. Just click on this learn post right here. This is for sharing of sponsor post. Once you click on this learn post right here, you can see post sponsor post for 27th May. Just come right and click on this read more. Once you click on this read more and come right here, you can see share to earn right here, or you can come right here. So just come and right and click on this share to earn right there. Once you click on this share to earn right there, it will bring you to your TikTok right there. Just follow this. What is the task? Once you follow it, then when you follow their TikTok channel right there, you then come back. The money will be automatically added to your balance. So right here, to engage in advert right there, just come right and click on this advert. Once you click on this advert right here and come right here, you can see today advert right here, that's 27 May 2023 right here. Just click on this read more and come right here and click on this engage on advert. Once you just click on this engage on advert right here, to actually bring you right here. You can see you have earned from this advert. So there will not, but once you click, but you can see that I've already earned. So that's why they will not take me to the page. But you that have not Once you click, it will take you to any advert. You just perform the task right here, and for you to very very important. Some people always complain that they don't know how to always log in and earn as a login bonus right here. This login bonus right there. For you to earn as login bonus, you need to be logging out and logging in every day. So for you to log out and log in every day, you need to click on this arrow right here. Once you click on this arrow right here, you have log out. And you come right here and log in back. So you earn 200 naira. So this is how this website works. So the registration right here is 4,500 naira right here. Once you click the link in the description, it's actually bringing you right here. Once you are here, all you need to do is just to put your full name, email address, username, password, phone number, and come right here. As you can see, coupon code right here. You can just message me on WhatsApp right here for coupon code. Just message me on WhatsApp right here for coupon code. You can see my number on the screen message. Just message me for coupon code right here. Or if you want to register under me, you want me to register you, just message me right here. I'll be registering you for 4,000 naira instead of 4,500 naira, just for 20 persons only. So, but if you want to register, just come right here and click on this get code, or you message me for code right here. After you get the code, come right here and click on this Learnify right here, and come right here, I agree right here, and come right here and click on this register. Your account will be registered successfully. So this is how this website works. So if you are interested in this website, I know that this website will make you huge amount of money. So this is how this website works. So if I actually give you a value in this video, all you need to do for me is just to subscribe to my channel and turn on notification. And so that anytime I drop a video like this, YouTube will give you a notification that I've actually got a video. So and the link will be down there in the description, and you also need to join the WhatsApp group link right there in the description. So thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notification.